Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to hide game in your collection. In the beginning, from the homepage of the console, go to the game library. Enter your collection and highlight the game you want to hide. Press Options button on the controller and select Hide. Got it. If you want to unhide it, enable hidden items. Again, press Option button on your game and select Unhide. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.